Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al Quran and Salah the Easy Way 3-minute series, lesson number 47b, in which we will take the three noun keys for the verbs daraba, sami'a, alima, and amila. We know that the three verb keys are fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al, and the three noun keys are fa'il, maf'ul, fi'l. The same formula will apply to daraba, sami'a, alima, and amila. Translate. Darib, the one who hits. Madroob,
the one who is hit.
Darb,
to hit.
Okay, again. Darib,
the one who hits.
Madroob,
the one who is hit.
Darb,
to hit.
Repeat after me. Darib, madroob, darb.
Darib, madroob, darb.
Again. Darib, madroob, darb.
Darib, madroob, darb.
Let's talk about players. They are hitting the balls. So if I ask you, hal huwa darib, you will say na'am huwa darib. Hal hum daribun? Na'am hum daribun. So answer me. Hal huwa darib?
Na'am huwa darib.
Hal hum daribun?
Na'am hum daribun.
MashaAllah. Let's take the second one. Can you translate? Sami',
the one who listens.
Masmu',
the one who is listened to.
Sam',
to listen.
So answer me. هل أنت سامع؟
نعم أنا سامع.
هل أنتم سامعون؟
نعم نحن سامعون.
Again. هل أنت سامع؟
نعم أنا سامع.
هل أنتم سامعون؟
نعم نحن سامعون.
Let's take the next verb alima. Alima means he knew. So alim will be the one who knows. So can you translate? Alim,
the one who knows.
Or a scholar. Ma'loom, that which is known. Ilm,
to know.
Or knowledge. Repeat after me. Alim, ma'loom, ilm.
Alim, ma'loom, ilm.
Let's talk about a group of scholars. So answer me. هل هو عالم؟
نعم هو عالم.
هل هم عالمون؟
نعم هم عالمون.
Let's take another verb which is amila, means he worked. So amil will be worker or laborer. Ma'mul, that which is worked upon. And amal, to do or to work. Okay, translate. Amil,
worker.
Ma'mul,
that which is worked upon.
Amal,
to work.
Okay, repeat after me. Amil, ma'mul, amal.
Amil, ma'mul, amal.
Again. Amil, ma'mul, amal.
Amil, ma'mul, amal.
So answer me. هل أنت عامل؟
نعم أنا عامل.
هل أنتم عاملون؟
نعم نحن عاملون.
Again. هل أنت عامل؟
نعم أنا عامل.
هل أنتم عاملون؟
نعم نحن عاملون.
That's it for now. جزاكم الله خير. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.